So a little over 1 month into using this Nu Aqua system, let me tell you how it's going. A little over a month ago, I made a video installing my Nu Aqua 4-stage water filter system. So my system includes the water softener as well as a sediment filter, a carbon filter, and then a metals filter. And so installing the system is, you can check out that video here, but it's fairly involved. But if you're interested in trying it yourself, here are the details on how I installed that one. So after using about a month, we wanted to report back on how that's going, how we like the system, and really how we like our water. First, let's talk about water pressure. So water pressure is obviously a big issue, especially if you deal with low water pressure. You don't want to reduce that any more than it already is. And so sometimes we do have a little concern in our house naturally with some water pressure, with more than one shower and lots of people taking showers and using water, and then water hoses outside. So I'm happy to report that our water pressure is good with the system. I don't think there's any real difference. So with the system hooked up versus not hooked up, I think we're getting very, very close to the same water pressure when we use the water with the system. And so that's good. It's good to report that. So how the water tastes is a big factor. You want your water to taste good. You're going to drink your water. And so we want nice tasting water out of all of our faucets. And one of the things we have really enjoyed in the past about having a good water filter system is being able to drink water straight from the kitchen sink, or even if you're brushing your teeth or wherever, that the water doesn't taste funny, it doesn't taste minerally or anything. Everybody in my house, 7 people, we all love the taste of the water. It's great. And obviously, taste is a preference thing, and so you may even prefer one bottled water over another one. But in terms of the water coming into our house, we really like the taste of this water. And describing the taste of water is almost impossible, but I can certainly tell the difference. If you give me untreated water versus the treated water, I can tell you which one is which, because there is a taste to the city water that comes into our house. Once the water goes through the Nu Aqua system, that taste is not there anymore. And so you might say it's flavorless, but it has something to it, but it's good water. So I might be one of the least qualified people to talk about washing hair, but a lot of other people in my house wash their hair a lot, and they really care about how it works. And so water matters. What's in the water? Hardness in water affects hair washing and sometimes hair performance. I can't explain all that. I'm not trying to. I'm just explaining our experience. And so that was really a big concern for us as we switched over from a traditional water softener to this Nu Aqua system. We have found it to be perfectly satisfying to everyone in the house. So skin and hair, I've polled the members of my house, and they like this water. They like what it does for their skin. They like what it does for their hair. And so that's really all we can ask. I can't go into and explain all the science behind it. I'm not going to try to. This is just an experience video. And so compared to when we used hard water, we had a water softener system that they liked, but it did give a little bit of the greasy feel to the water. But now with the Nu Aqua system, that greasy feel is not there, but the positive results from washing for skin and hair are there. So I would say it's a big plus. I actually did some water tests then with this test kit on the filtered water, the treated water, versus the untreated water from the city. And honestly, our untreated water is actually pretty good. So it's hard for me to make a big judgment here. And especially, we just got a new water system put in for the whole neighborhood. So we now have new pipes, and our water tests a lot better straight out of those pipes. So it's hard for me to make a huge judgment, but you could see a few differences in the numbers on the tests, just in terms of the filtered water versus the unfiltered water. So over a month into having the system installing it myself, would I do it again? Absolutely, yes. This is by far a better system than what I had in place. It's smaller, it just makes more sense. When it's time for its maintenance, it's going to be easier to manage than what I already had before. And so I look forward to that first change, and maybe we'll do a video there where I change the filters out and we'll show what all was involved there, but we're still a few months out from needing to do that. Part of these systems is there is going to be a cost involved, a maintenance cost that you don't have otherwise. But if you like to filter water at all, then you're paying for something. If you're filtering water in your refrigerator, if you install a system like this, you no longer need that refrigerator filter. So you're going to save that money each month. And so in my case, I already wasn't doing that, but now I don't have to go buy the water softening things. I'd add salt every month to my system. I don't have to do that now. So I'm happy with the system. It's going to be easier going forward to take care of and to maintain. And it's smaller than what I previously had, so it fits better in a space. And it looks good. Not that it really matters in the corner of my basement, but if you had to put this somewhere where you're going to see it a lot, you're not going to mind. It's a good looking system. If you install it, say in your garage on the way into your house, and you see it all the time after you park your car or something, it's going to be just fine. You're going to like it. So I hope this video is helpful. I will update this video in the description section as we go, and so I will link it there if I have a future video, or if we have any future things arise with the system. But 5 weeks in now, we're happy and making everybody else happy in my house. When I have a DIY project and everybody's happy with it, then we're on good terms here, right? So I hope this video is helpful.